This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has dismissed the opposition allegation of joblessness in the country, saying that nearly 1.2 crore jobs have been created annually in different sectors including tourism, aviation and infrastructure development. Modi wondered how it is possible that jobs are not being created when foreign direct investment is at an all-time high. A large number of commercial vehicles have been sold, road, rail and housing construction and other infrastructure development works are on full swing, and India is among the fastest growing economy. Prime Minister was speaking at the Rising India Summit in New Delhi. Modi also wondered how it is possible without employment when several international reports have mentioned that poverty is declining at a faster pace in India. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has said that the state government has taken up a systematic approach to acquaint the police force with modern technological advancements for improving their capacity. Laying the foundation stone of Assam Police Academy in the campus of Assam Police Training Center in Golaghat district, Sonowal said training is the most important part in developing skill and ability of the police force. He added that it enhances experience of the trainees, makes them more disciplined and improves their service quality. Appreciating the role of Assam Police in upholding law and order in the state, Sonowal urged its personnel to work with more commitment to earn greater confidence of the people and called upon the police force to work as a team. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal hailed the Indian Air Force for carrying out airstrikes on terror camps in Pakistan. In a statement, Sonowal thanked the Indian Air Force personnel for carrying out airstrikes in Pakistan to neutralize militant outfits that are operating to carry subversive activities on Indian soil. He said 130 crore people of India are today elated in response to the courage and conviction shown by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in carrying out offensive against the anti-India forces hell-bent to create disturbances in the country. In a pinpointed and swift airstrike that lasted less than 22 minutes, India pounded Jaish-e-Mohammed's biggest training camp in Pakistan early Tuesday, killing up to 350 terrorists and trainers who were moved there for their protection after the Pulwama attack. Arunachal Pradesh government held a meeting with various community-based organizations, student organizations and NGOs in Itanagar on the law and order situation in the city. In a press briefing, Chief Minister Pema Khandu said the state government will not take up the issue of permanent residence certificate to non-Arunachal Pradesh STs again and clarified its stand during the meeting. He said all the organizations have assured to help the government in restoring peace and tranquility in the capital. The Chief Minister announced an ex gratia of 20 lakh rupees each and a government job for the families of all the 3 persons who lost their lives during the violence. He also said financial assistance of up to 10 lakhs will be given to those injured. He said a commissioner-level inquiry has already been set up to investigate the cause of the incident. The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya, in collaboration with Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, National Innovation Foundation India and Bioresources Development Center, will organize the Northeast Innovators Meet and Technology, Innovation and Entrepreneurship Expo 2019 between the 28th February and 1st March 2019 as a part of the National Science Day 2019 celebration at Convocation Hall, Nehu Campus, Meghalaya. The theme of the program is Science for People and People for Science. In Meghalaya, voting to elect the members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council began at 7 AM today. The 8,28,774 electorate will decide the fate of 130 candidates for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. On the other hand, the 2,51,514 electorate will decide the political fortune of 101 candidates in Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. The counting of votes and declaring of result will be held on the 2nd of next month. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.